channel. Bright Green Corporation today is up 13.27%, trading at $2.73. The stock opened at $2.35 and the previous close was $2.41. The 52-week range is from $2.16 all the way up to $58. We have about 2.5 hours to the close of market today, and the volume is right now at about 1.9 million shares that have exchanged hands, and the average volume is 3.1 million. The market capitalization of Bright Green Corporation is at $436 million. And if you look at the graph, you can see that just for today's range, the stock has traded from $2.33 all the way up to $2.92. Right now, the stock seems to be trending higher. And if you look at the 5-day graph, you will see that there was actually quite a bit of loss of value of the stock. Bright Green Corporation, according to the prospectus I can find, it shows that it has legal authority from the federal government and the state government, the state being the state of Florida, to grow, harvest, process, and use for medical research purposes and also for treatment purposes, cannabis. And also it looks like they have an exemption which allows them to actually export medical cannabis, for to be used for research purposes. So the company is very uniquely placed. But the only downside, the only thing that's not good about Bright Green Corporation, that would be like a red flag, is that we don't have any insight into the day-to-day operations. It doesn't have to be at a granular level, but at least if you can get a sense of what exactly is the scope of the work they have done so far, then that really helps, inform investors and potential investors in this stock, which I think performed really great, because after listing within 48 hours, it had run up to $58, and from there it came down. But again, as you guys can see, the stock has been trading sideways for the past 5 days. So it is unclear if this stock is ready to go on the next phase of its journey. The Bright Green Corporation ticker symbol got listed on the 17th of May 2022, and since then it's been a really wild trip for investors in this company. But the way the stock has behaved over the past 5 days, especially trading sideways, whereas most of Wall Street was coming down, tumbling, I think that this stock might have some potential to rebound. If you look at the 52-week low, it's $2.16. We are not too far from that. We're right now at $2.72. But again, the 52-week high is all the way up to $58. So there is still a lot of headroom for this stock to potentially grow. So I wouldn't bet against Bright Green Corporation, because cannabis stocks have historically proven to be quite volatile, and they've also at times given very handsome returns to investors in their company. This is not investment advice. I am not financially, I'm not qualified to give any kind of investment advice. But I would say that Bright Green Corporation is an interesting stock to look at. It's a company to keep on your radar, and then if it starts moving in the direction you want, then that might be a signal to jump on the bandwagon and ride it out. So that's what I had for you guys concerning Bright Green Corporation, that the stock is up 13.27% today, and it seems to be trending higher. We have about 2 hours and 30 minutes to the close of market. It's been a mitigated day on Wall Street. If you look at the S&P 500, struggling, Dow 30 is struggling, Nasdaq is clearly in the green, up 0.42% for the day. The Russell 2000 is up 0.02, so they are barely holding their head above the water. Crude oil is trading at $120 a barrel, so you're gonna feel the pinch at the pump. That is the state of the economy. And if you are placing bets, or if you are investing, if you are buying stocks, please do be careful, because the Feds are seemingly going to be tightening the availability of liquidity. So, depending on your portfolio size and their objectives, you might want to have a cash comfortable position. Not too cash heavy, but cash comfortable. So you have enough cash for your daily needs for maybe 1 or 2 months going out, and also enough cash to take advantage in case of any big movement in the stocks you are tracking. Thank you for your time. We are close to the 500 subscriber mark. We fixed for ourselves an objective to hit 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections in November. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Each and every subscription that we get helps us get a little bit closer to our objective and to our goal. Thank you for your time. Bye now.